Hey, this is Jeff. We're here doing one of our advanced AC tests on a new construction here. We noticed in the kitchen that the hood for the cooktop is rated for 1200 CFM. That's a lot. That requires makeup air according to the mechanical code. So we actually got our hood over here. Alexi's got the hood covering the exhaust point for the kitchen hood, and we have an anemometer in there measuring the airflow, temperature, humidity, etc. of the exhaust. So we Bluetooth link that to our phone here, and you can see that it's at about 1,500 feet per minute is the velocity of the airflow. The pressure is about 406 inches of water column. It's roughly about 74 degrees. That's just the ambient air out there. But we'll take a picture of this as our final. So this will show up in our report, and it'll also show the cubic feet per minute that's being exhausted. And then we can put that in our report and find out specifically whether this needs makeup air or if it's within the limits of the requirement that doesn't need makeup air. That's just one of the things you can do with advanced mechanical. So sign up for a class and learn how to do this.